Okay, I'm testing voltage to the solenoid here. So here's my voltmeter. I'm grounded, and what you see there is the positive terminal from the voltmeter unit, and it's plugged directly into solenoid power, which is just being tapped. It's still connected to the starter, so it's going directly to the starter. Starter's grounded. Starter has full power. Battery's all connected. Key here, on position, confirm 0. Now I'm going to go ahead and hit the start position or starter position, which should give power to the solenoid. And you'll see here at best I get 6.22. Now, if I'm not going to test it right now, but if I disconnect the solenoid from the starter and I check power at the solenoid wire, I get 12. And it just feels so random. You can see it's actually climbing up just a tad. Let's just leave it. That's 6 if you can't read that. It's 6. Hang on, yeah, 6.6. It's actually going up just a hair as I hold it in. So I'm thinking bad ground, maybe? So, okay, that's it for now. I'm going to pull the wire off the starter and see what the solenoid says then. Another video.